Okay, now we're going to be installing the sway bar. So you've got the sway bar here, arms on each end, brackets for mounting it to the chassis. Over here I've got hardware, new grade 8 hardware. Here's the end links. Actually it goes down, but goes on the arm there. Hardware for our end links. The other end link is already installed on the chassis. This one's out, so I can show you how it goes on. Loctite on the bolt. Now I'm going to put the lower link on. It's got a right hand and a left hand thread, so I can loosen these jam nuts and then just twist this back and forth to lengthen or shorten it. I'm mounted on the lower control arm here. The bracket is wider than the rod end, so I got to put some shims in there. So get the bolt started. Three shims on the inside. And I put the adjustable link in. Two shims on the outside of the link. Washer and an eye-lock nut. Tighten those up. Okay, I hope you can see this. Here's the lower link. It's attached to the lower control arm. Now I need to attach it to the upper sway bar mount. There's a temporary bolt in the top here right now until I get a grade 8 one to put in there. Now I'll do it on the other side. And then when I adjust the weights on the car, I will disconnect one of these, adjust all the corner weights, and then adjust the height of this so that there's no preload in the bar, and then bolt it on. Here's the rear sway bar. Mounting brackets for the chassis. End links with rod ends. Okay, snake this sway bar in here. Got some new grade 8 hardware, washers, etc. Okay, so to locate the bar side to side, so it doesn't slip back and forth in chassis mounts, temporarily I put some hose clamps on there. You can probably see them right there, one right there. I'm taking those off and I'm putting these split collars on. They're aluminum, they're lightweight. Those will hold everything in place. So I just take the bolts out of these puppies, and they're split. Now when you put these split collars on, you don't want to jam them too tight against the brackets. And a little bit of slop just so things can move around. Leaving about a 1/16 of an inch total. And these are just aluminum, so don't crank them down so tight that you split them. Just firm. Now we'll put the end links on. Okay, now we're going to hook up the end links. Spherical bearings on each end, threaded left hand, right hand. These spherical bearings, if you can see it, have spacers built on each edge to give you more angle. Got a bolt with a washer on it. It goes through the tab on the rear axle. A couple of washers. Nylock nut. Now for the upper link, another bolt, little washer. Big washer. Through sway bar end, another washer. I'm short on nylock nuts, so I'm just putting a regular nut on here for now. There you have it. And of course I can adjust it just by threading this tube one way or the other, lengthening and shortening it. When I put the car on the scales to weigh it out and get the corner weights, I'll disconnect one of these bars, one of these links, both on the rear here and on the front, set all the weights, and then hook up the bar so that there's no preload in the sway bar. Here's some other views of the sway bar. This is the rear. You can see the end link there. There's the rear bar and the arms coming back. And there's the other end link right down in there. Here's some views of the front bar. There you can see the end link right there. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.